In this video, how to download the Adobe Acrobat Reader offline installer. Sometimes, you may need to install Acrobat Reader without an internet connection. The official download site only provides an online installer. This online installer is just 2 megabytes in size and requires an internet connection to complete the installation. To get the offline installer, simply add the word Enterprise to the end of the download URL. Now, you'll see the option to download the full offline installer. Notice the difference in size. The offline installer is approximately 600 megabytes. This allows you to install Acrobat Reader without an internet connection. Another method is to use the Windows Package Manager to find and download the full offline installer for Acrobat Reader. The Windows Package Manager comes pre-installed in Windows 11 and later versions of Windows 10. Start by searching for the Acrobat Reader package. Next, copy the app ID. Finally, use the app ID to find the direct download URL. Additionally, you can use the Windows Package Manager to find the direct download links for other apps as well. Using the offline installer, you can deploy or install the app silently using command line, group policy, or any MDM solution. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.